All right, one fell out or flew out and hit the ground. Mom was feeding them. Let's see where it's going. There it is. 2 of them. They're both there. Hi, babies. Hi, my babies. Hi, my babies. Are you leaving me? They're leaving me. Hi. Hi. I'm not going any closer because I don't want to scare them, but they're back there. You can't see them anymore. They're leaving. There. Oh, and your just is red a little bit. Hi, babies. Oh, you can do it. You want to jump off the deck? You can do it. Flap your wings. Flap, 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 flap. Come on. All right, in case you're not ready, I'm going to back away because I don't want you to jump because you're scared of me. People, I'm real far away, though. I'm probably over 15 feet away. I don't know if that's real far, but I'm not up on top of them like it looks. You're at, oh, what is that? You were like my dogs, rolling over and rubbing your face on the ground. Hi. Hi. Oh, already bird poopy on my deck. Nice one. That's okay. I'm all right with it. All right. Oh, you almost did it. Flapped her wings. They want to do it. Oh, oh! It went. There it is. My babies are leaving the nest. Your brother or sister left the other day while I was away. Hi. The other one's like, no, I'm not ready yet. All right, you're under the bush. She's over there. I'm gonna try to do this. I get him farther away. I'm just zooming. Come on, baby. You could do it. Hi. Were you coming to me? Don't come closer to me. I'm not this close, people. Don't get worried. You did it. You did it. You did it. All right, let's double check, but I think Mommy's watching, or Daddy. It's Mommy or Daddy's watching. Ooh. All right, they're in the bushes. Sorry for this turning. Let's just see if the third one's there, but I think it left the other day. Yup. It's all gone. The nest is all empty. Bye-bye, birdies. Bye-bye.